One of my viewers requested that I make tahini. So I'm going to make you a tahini and then a tahini sauce today. Remember, sesame seeds are so good for you because they're rich in calcium, magnesium, which you need every day, and also many minerals. So we heated the pan to the medium heat. We're going to place our sesame seeds inside, 1 cup of sesame seeds, and we're going to toast them on medium for 3 to 5 minutes. Now that we've toasted our sesame seeds, I've loaded it into a KitchenAid where I'm going to add the oil. This is 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. So we've added our oil, and now I'm going to snap on the lid, and when we're blending it, you might have to take the lid off from time to time in order to scrape the sides. You want to blend this until it is a smooth consistency. Here we go. Now that we've made a tahini paste, we're going to add some additional ingredients and make it into a tahini dressing. You can use this as is, or we just add 3 simple ingredients and we've got a dressing that you can put over vegetables, on toast. You can put it over your salads. Let's add these ingredients. First, we have a teaspoon of lemon juice. Next, we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of warm water. We're going to put the lid back on. This is about 1 cup of tahini because that's how much we put in, 1 cup of sesame seeds. And we're going to blend it again. Now that we have our beautiful tahini dressing, look at that, isn't that creamy and gorgeous? We're going to just take some and we're going to scoop some into our bowl here. And we're going to use this as a dip for some carrot sticks and some of our almond crackers. This is a great snack, so healthy. Your friends are going to love this. It's a great snack to serve at any gathering. Here we go, tahini and almond crackers. So delicious. Yes, indeed.